to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare a combination chart in Microsoft Excel. A combination chart is a graph in which we can show two different types of charts in a single graph. For example, a combination of bar graph and line graph, a combination of multiple bar graphs, multiple line graphs, even a combination of pie graph and bar graph, and so on. So let's get started. This is a data that I have collected from my survey. The table shows the range of PM 2.5. The first column shows the date, the second column shows the time, the third shows temperature in degrees centigrade, and the fourth shows PM 2.5. Now I am going to transfer this data into Excel.
So from the desktop, we are going to open the Microsoft Excel. Here I have typed the data. Now I am going to select these three columns as these three are the variables which I am going to work with. Now we'll go to Insert menu, Column, and select the first column. So a multiple bar chart opens. Here we can see that the temperature is shown through the blue bar graphs and the PM 2.5 through the red bar graphs. So we're going to keep the PM 2.5 bar graph as it is, and we're going to change the temperature graph into a line graph. So we're going to select this, then right click, select change series chart type, and we're going to go to line and then select this one. Okay, so a combined graph is showing one bar graph and another a line graph. Now we're going to give axis to the line graph. We can see both the charts have a single axis, but we're going to do a double axis. So we're going to select the line graph, right click, format data series, and select the secondary axis. Close. So here you can see there are two axes. In the left side, we can see that it is the axis of the PM 2.5, the bar graph, and on the right side, the secondary axis has the line graph, which is the temperature. Now we're going to select this line and we are going to delete it. Now this looks more clear. Now we are going to label the axis. We'll select this data. We'll go to layout and select axis title. Here we're going to select primary vertical axis, then rotated title, and write range of PM 2.5. Then we're going to select this data. Again go to axis title and secondary vertical axis and rotated title, and write temperature. Then we're going to select this data, go to axis title, and here we're going to select primary horizontal axis title, and then title below the axis, and write time. Then we're going to select this legend and go to legend and more legend options and border color solid line. Close. Now we are going to give the heading legend here. Go to insert, now we are going to drag the legend click on the word center line. Okay, now we are going to give that chart heading. We're going to select this chart area, layout, chart title, above the chart, and write range of PM 2.5. Then we'll give the source. We'll again go to insert menu, text box, and copy and paste. Now we are going to edit the graphs. We know that the color of temperature is always red. So we're going to select the line graph, format data series, line color, solid color, and red. Then we're going to go to marker fill, then we're going to select the bar graph, format data series, fill, solid color. We'll give this orange color. Now we'll select the bar graph, right click, format data series. From here we're going to reduce this no gap. Okay. So our diagram is ready. This is another chart that I have prepared in the same process. It is an ombrothermic chart. It shows the variation in temperature and rainfall during a particular period of time. Now, in an ombrothermic chart, the rainfall scale should always be twice the temperature scale. So, we need to do some formatting in the chart axis, which I am going to show you in an upcoming video. If you have any other requests, please leave them below in the comment section. And I hope you have found the video helpful.